Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app Ontraport Action Automation for workflows. Once you are in your account, navigate to App Marketplace and search for the app. Then you click on it and you click on Install. Then you choose the account where you want to install the app in, and you click on Continue. Then you navigate to Allow and Install. And you're going to have this page where you copy the custom menu link, head back to your account, and you navigate to Settings. Then click on the custom menu links to create a new one. You enter an icon. You give a title, and you paste the link which we copied here. You give a sidebar preference, and you select an account. Then you give a role-based visibility, which is all. Then you click on Save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch back to the account where you added the custom menu link and you click on the custom menu link itself. Then you have the interface, the first interface of the app that is going to pop up. And here you are required to set up the app. Let's click on Connect. And the second interface of the app is going to pop up where you have all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with this specific app is in here. You have the tutorial video, the smart queue, and the walkthrough configuration video that is going to help you on how to get the necessary credentials to complete your app setup. We have the setup feature here. The app has not yet been connected. Let's walk you through on that. Let's head to the account which we created online. You click on your profile and you click on the administration. Then you click on integration and you click on the API. Then you generate a new API. You give a contact owner, which is me. You select all the options. And from there, you give a title. Then you click on Save. You copy your API key, head to the account, click on Start Setup, and you paste. You copy your ID, and you paste. Then you click on Complete Setup. And your app will be successfully configured. We have the support center where you're going to get all the necessary help through a ticket or with a call. We have the change log feature where you're going to track all the new updates and changes made on this app. To receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your professional email, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. You've learned how to install and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.